तुझे याद है तूने कल मुझे स्ट्रेचिंग करवाई थी? भाई मेरा चलना फिरना मुश्किल है, मैं सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ पा रही हूँ। मैं नहीं कर रही है स्ट्रेचिंग आज से।
I can't bend. I can't stretch. My body is so rigid. मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Just Jay. I'm Jagruti Pandey. Has this thought ever crossed your mind कि यार मेरी body तो बहुत ज़्यादा stiff है or like stretching is not my cup of tea. So there are few notions that you need to get straight into your head. We are nearly 7.8 billion people in the world. Each body is different. Therefore, our capabilities to stretch, to bend, and to flex is also different. But one constant thing that is needed for every body type is consistent practice. But before that, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि यार हमारा body type है कैसा. And for that, I bring to you a very exciting and very easy flexibility test. 5 easy ways to test your flexibility. So let's dive straight into the video.
Stop dancing, Jay. Ready? To make it easier to analyze, I've divided all the exercises into 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. The first that we have is a leg flexibility test. Keep a subsequent amount of gap between your legs and start bending side by side. Now, if you can bend till as shown, you are at level 3. From here, widen your legs a bit more, repeat the same bending pattern. If you can bend without much pain, you are at level 2. Now for next level, widen your legs a little more. Bend side by side. If you can bear it with a minimum amount of pain, believe me, you're just a step behind from being a pro. Just keep practicing. At number 2, we have standing forward bend. Start by keeping your spine straight and your body in alignment with your hands and shoulders. Now, if you can bend till here by keeping your knees folded or straight, we can say you are at level 3. From here, push your body forward and bend a little more. Try not folding your legs. If you can reach anywhere below your knees, you are at level 2. Now, try placing your hands on the floor or on the mat. If you can do this, you are at level 1. At number 3, we have back bends. It is a very simple way to test your back flexibility. Keep your hands on your waist and push your body backwards. Now, if you can bend just as shown, you are at level 3 and you need a lot of practice. Now, for next level, bend a little more by not stressing your neck. If you can go till here, you are at level 2. Now, if you're comfortable till here, you can try shifting your hands to your thighs and bend a little more without hurting your neck. If your hands can go till the back of your knees, yay, you are at level 1. At number 4, we have knee testing. Lie on your mat. First test with one leg. See how much you can lift without folding your knee. If you can hold till here for at least 10 seconds, you are at level 3. Now from here, try lifting your leg a little more. It is completely okay if you are bending your knee. Try holding it for longer. If you can hold it for 20 seconds, you are at level 2. Now, test it with both of your legs. Try holding both of your legs together. If you can hold it, and even if it is bended, trust me, you are at level 1. Try playing in this position. At number 5, we have hamstring test. Sit comfortably on your mat as shown and spread your legs as per your comfort. Now try touching your toe and bend side by side. If you can do it with minimum pain, you are at level 3. Now from here, stretch your legs a little more just as shown and again try touching your toe. You can also try touching your knee. Even if you can't do it, you are at level 2. Now to test it further for level 3, you can try bending side by side just as shown. If you can do it comfortably, you are at level 1. Just take few breaths here and relax.
Alright guys, so after the test, let's quickly come on the report cards. If you have just started exercising and you felt थोड़े से थोड़ा ज़्यादा वाला pain in attempting any of the exercises that I mentioned, so we can say that you're at level 3 and of course no worries. The only advice that I have for you is do not overstretch because that is going to give you immense amount of pain which will hamper your motivation to stretch of course. Go slow and be consistent. Now, if you are halfway there, then you are at level 2 and there's a high possibility that you will reach to the peak. Keep practicing. Do not attempt any of those advanced yoga poses or advanced bends or flex because your body needs some time to adapt. So give your body some time, practice all those stretches that I mentioned for a week at least, and then you will rock. And if you felt no difficulty and enjoyed throughout the exercises, then you are at level 1 and you can attempt all kinds of stretches and splits and anything that you want to. Just keep one thing in mind, do not overstretch. Even if you can go like 10 out of 10 on day 1, please do not. Give your body some time to adjust, to adapt and to enjoy the whole process. Let your body sink right into it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a huge fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And happy stretching!